We'll see if that comes back to haunt Adriano later in these finals. Sean Willingham is in the chutes now, 82 3/4 on Super Jacket. Still looking for our first man to cover 2 bulls.
You know, we had 18 guys ride their bull last night. So far, we've had 11 of those 18 buck off. Sean will be the first.
Big action from Scaredy Cat, all 4 hooves at once, but it's into his hand. He's going to the right, he's spurring with his left, and Sean Willingham is the first one to ride 2 at the finals.
And a great ride. Sean Willingham, he's a taller guy. He gets on this little bull. You know, you watch him. He doesn't have his legs, he's got his knees real bent, his toes aren't always turned out, but he has so much aggressiveness and keeps moving. Then right at the end, opens up and goes to spurring. That was a great aggressive ride. That's how you have to go at it, in my opinion. Unbelievable.
Oh, beautiful. What a ride, what a smile, what a score it's going to be when it comes in. This Sean Willingham is the new leader, the only guy to ride 2 bulls in the first 2 rounds here at the PBR World Finals.